Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the concurrent list of the function prevention of the extension of the communicable disease from the one unit to another and the prevention of adulteration of food stuff, control of drug and poisons, vital statistics, labor welfare. Ports other than the major economic and the social planning and the population control and family planning. Next is the Directorate General of the Health Services organization. The Director of the Health Services is the principal advisor to the Union government in both medical and the public health matters. The Directorate General of Health Services organization. First is the Director General of Health Service, then the Additional Director General of the Health Services, team of the deputies, large administrative staff. The Directorate comprises of the three main units. First is the medical care and hospitals, second is the public health, general administration. Directorate General of the Health Services function general survey planning, coordination programming and appraisal of all health matters in the country. Directorate General of Health Services specific function international health relation and quarantine. Second is the control of drug standards. Third is the medical store depots, postgraduate training, medical education. Sixth is the medical research. Seven is the central government health science. Eighth is the national health programs. Next is the Central Health Education Bureau, Health Intelligence, National Medical Library. These all are the function of Directorate General of Health Services. There are the specific functions. First is the international health relation and the quarantine. All the major ports in the country, Kolkata, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Cochin, Mumbai, Kandla and the international airports Mumbai, Santa Cruz, Kolkata, Dum, Chennai. There are the directly controlled by the Directorate General of Health Services. All the matters relating to the obtaining of assistance from the international agencies and the coordination of their activities in the country are undertaken by the Directorate General of Health Services. Next is the control of drug standards. The Drug Control Organization is the part of Directorate General of Health Services and is headed by the Drug Controller. Its primary function is to lay down and enforce the standards and control the manufacture and distribution of drugs through the both central and state government officers. The Drugs Act 1940 vests the central government with the powers to test the quality of imported drugs. These are the specific functions. Next function is the medical store depots. The union government runs medical store depots at Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Karnal, Guwahati and Hyderabad. These depots supply the civil medical requirements of the central government and of the various state government. These depots also handle the supply from the foreign agencies, the medical store organization and overs to the ensure the highest quality and a cheaper bargain and the promote supply. In today's class, I discuss about the international health relation and quarantine control and about the directorate comprises of the three main units and about the organization. Thank you.